having the basic knowledge of how to use a computer is a wonderful asset that is important to everybody right now, most especially now that everything is going digital. Businesses and organizations, individuals now are learning tech and professional skills to help them scale up in their career or to pursue a new career. So learning how to operate a computer, learning how to use your phone properly, how to use your tablet, your laptop, and your desktop properly is a great asset that will help you to be able to navigate through these courses properly. My name is Victor Ikponmwosa and you're welcome to Learn2Earn. At Learn2Earn, we'll provide you with the basic knowledge that you need to be able to operate the computer properly. And not just that, we also teach you some professional skills like digital marketing, data analysis, UX design, graphics design, Microsoft Excel, and also we teach you how to monetize your skills. There are so many people who have acquired these professional and tech skills, but they are unable to monetize them. At Learn2Earn, we teach you how to monetize your skills, be it digital marketing, UX design, graphics design, or UI. Also, at Learn2Earn, we have an engaging Telegram channel where you meet with students like yourself and you can share knowledge and ideas together. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the description below. So if this interests you and if this is something that you really love to see more of, I would like you to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime we drop amazing videos.